Press bell icon button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Today I am going to show you how to make lipstick like Rose of a Titanic full formula. First, our ingredients: saffron essential oil, rose essential oil, cetyl alcohol, red iron oxide, black iron oxide, brown iron oxide. 10 ml of saffron essential oil. Take a small beaker and add all these ingredients into it. Many of you have things on your mind about using cetyl alcohol. Actually, it's a whale oil. Calling its alcohol just a process in which whale oil produce. In today's formula, I use alkanet root and shea butter extraction, 1 gram in whole formula. Just add these ingredients and mix it well. And remember to grind iron oxide before adding in this formula. I want hardness of product to make it hard enough to bear weather changes. In summer things melt out so quickly, so I use same ratio to make perfect product. Just add these ingredients. 1 gram of alkanet root and shea butter extraction. Here our oxides: brown iron oxide, black iron oxide, and red iron oxide. Remember to add a ratio of these oxide, it depends upon a whole formula. Just add it. Mix it well and melt it. You can use double boiler method and microwave method. It's depend upon your availability. I am using microwave method because microwave method is much more convenient than using other methods. Just mix well and microwave it. 4 to 5 minutes are enough to melt these ingredients and add into suitable lipstick mold. Just pour it and cover it. 30 minutes in room temperature is enough for hardness of the product. So here our product, you can wear it, use it. It's the same lipstick like a Rose of a Titanic wear in a movie. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to subscribe my channel.